Hello students, welcome to new session of chapter 3, a trip to Bhopal. Today we will cover most exciting part of chapter. Now our topic is which boat do we take? It's time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat to take, but that is not easy. These are different kinds of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. See the chart. Here name of the boat, ticket price and trip time is given. So double decker, the price of double decker is rupees 30 and the trip time is 45 minutes. Paddle boat, the ticket price rupees 15 and it will take 30 minutes. The motor boat price rupees 25 and trip time 20 minutes. Now last boat is boat with oars. Ticket price rupees 15 and trip time 45 minutes. Now see which children will choose which boat. So first question is Indra and Bhanu first went in motor boat and then took the oar boat. The question, how much did they pay for both the boats? Here we have to find the price for both the boats. Next question, how much time did they get for both the rides? Here we have to find the time for both the rides. Let me explain you on board. Indra and Bhanu went for motorboats and they took the ride of motorboats and boat with oars. So how much pay they for both the boats? The price of motorboat is rupees 25 and the price of boat with oars is rupees 50. So what is the total price? Rupees 25 plus rupees 50. So they will pay rupees 40 for both the boats. Okay, next one, how much time did they get for both the rides? So time for motorboat is 20 minutes and time for boat with oars is 45 minutes. So 20 minutes plus 45 minutes. That means total 65 minutes they will take total time for riding. Now our second question is one group of children went for the double decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? Let me explain you on board. Let's see the chart. Double decker ticket price is rupees 50. Total paid rupees 450 and double decker price rupees 30 per person. So here, for finding the number of person we have to do the divisions because we are having the total. So we do the division for finding the persons. So 450 divided by 30. So 30 in 30 table where comes 45. So 30 ones are 30. 30 twos are 60. 60 is bigger number than 45. So we take 30 ones are 30. So subtraction 5 minus 0 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we take down 0. So it becomes 150. In 30 table where come 50? If we don't know the table of 30, we can use the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. So 30 5s are 150. So 30 5s are 150. So 150 minus 150, remainder will be 0. So how many person will went for the, how many children went for the trip? 15 children. Now third question is which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? Here we have to find the name of the boat. Okay, so 1 hour means 60 minutes. So in trip time how many minutes will be double and get 60 minutes means 1 hour. So why we have to do the double? Because he or she makes 2 trips in the same boats. So here which minute will be double and get the 60 minutes, that is the 30 minutes plus 30 minutes will make 60 minutes means 1 hour. So the name of the boat is paddle boat. So paddle boat which makes 2 trips in 1 hour. Fourth question is which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and less than half an hour means less than 30 minutes. So here only. Motorboat will take 20 minutes, which is less than half an hour. Question number 5 is, which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Most time means more time and least money means less money. So which boat will take more time? So here two boats will take more time, that is 45 minutes here, 45 minutes here. The boat name is double decker is also taking more time, and the boat with oars is also taking more time. But we have to see the least money means less price. So the double decker price is rupees 30 and the boat with oars price is rupees 15. So this is the suitable condition. So the time is more and the money is less. So the name of the boat is boat with oars. Now the sixth question is, Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. So which two boats did he take? Let's have an explanation on board. They paid for rupees 40 and the time is 50 minutes. So which two boats did he take? Okay, so here 40 minutes. So which price total, which two numbers total will make 40 rupees? That means rupees 25 and rupees 15. Both total should be 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. So now we see the trip time. So 20 minutes and 45 minutes. The total should be 65 minutes. But here as per the question, we need a 40 rupees and 50 minutes. So this answer is not correct as per the question. So now we go to the another option. This is also 25 number and this boat price is also 15. So these two boat prices again make the total is 40. And now see the trip time. So here is also 30 minutes and 20 minutes. This total makes a 50 minutes. So 40 minutes and 40 rupees and 50 minutes. So the boat name is the pedal boat and the motor boat. Okay, let's cover the last topic of the chapter, time to return. Children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It's time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So they should reach Hosangabad by dash o'clock. 4 o'clock they leave from Bhopal and after 2 hours they will reach back to Hosangabad. So that is 6 o'clock. Hope you all enjoyed the whole lesson. Thank you.